Hi students, welcome to English 150. My name is Beth Shofsky and I'll be your instructor this semester. And I just wanted to make a very quick video to show you a couple of tips about navigating this course. So I'm going to keep this pretty brief. Here I am on our first page of the course, the About This Course page. And my first tip is that whenever you are on a page in the course, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see the Next button, and you can just click on that Next button, and that will take you right to the next page in the course. There I am. Hi. And you can also then see that there's a Previous button and the Next button. So you can always just kind of tab through the pages on our course by using the Next button. And that's a really easy way to just go page by page and just read everything that you need to read. So that's tip number one. Tip number two, if you come up here on our navigation bar on the left-hand side, you'll see that there is a modules view. If you click on that, and I always like to do this, you'll see every page, that's every reading, every activity, every assignment, listed one by one in the order that you should do them here in the modules view. So you can see right now we're in the orientation unit. Let me show you. We're in Unit 0, orientation unit. Everything in this orientation unit is what you'll be working on in the first week of class. So starting on January 22nd. And generally I will open up a new unit like this every week. And you'll work through all of the assignments and activities within that week. So next week, instead of Unit 0, next week we'll have Unit 1. And so on and so on. So this is a way that you can see all the pages in the unit and you can just click directly on them. So, for example, if you want to look at some of the syllabus information, all of the syllabus information is listed here on these pages. So this week you should read through all of the syllabus information. So let's say that you wanted to look at, what are the required materials for the class? Just click right here on that page. You'll be taken right to that page. You can see that we have 2 required books. I'll tell you more about those later on in the semester. And you can see the computer requirements and all of that. And then you finish that page, you can just click on Next, and you can get right to the next page. So these are some ways of navigating our course. My third tip on navigating the course is to use the calendar view over here on the left-hand side. Click on Calendar. And this is really cool because if your other instructors in your other classes are also using Canvas, and if they upload their assignments into Canvas, you'll be able to see all of your due dates in the calendar. So this week, here we are on the first day of our class. By the end of the week, on the 27th, you'll have 3 assignments that are due. And you can see all of those assignments right here in the calendar. If you click on them, it opens them up and you can see, what you're being asked to do. So you can use the calendar tool as a really great way of getting organized and seeing kind of visually all of your assignments for a week, or for a month actually. And then I want to go back and just show you one more thing in the modules view. You can also see on the right-hand side of your screen over here, when you're on the home page, that you have a to-do list. And again, those are the same things that we just saw in the calendar, the same 3 things, and what's coming up. And because those are the only things that are open, those are the things that are showing up, the same 3 things. But if you scroll down to the bottom of this unit again, you'll see that I've organized all of the syllabus information. I give you some student support and resources here. You can look those over later on in the week. And then at the very bottom, I'll have the activities to complete. So this is where those 3 activities are listed that you should complete by the end of this week. One of them is to update your Canvas profile. One of them is to take a syllabus quiz. So after you read all this information, take the syllabus quiz. It's just a 10-question quiz. And then you'll have a discussion forum where you need to post some information about yourself, tell us a little bit about who you are, and then respond to another student. And you can see right here that the due date is here, and the number of points is here. So that is just a really brief explanation of some ways to navigate our course using the modules view, using the calendar, and using the next and previous buttons on the bottom of each page. All right, happy reading this week. Happy reading all of our syllabus information, and I look forward to working with you. See you later.